Step into a world of opulence and sophistication as we unravel the secrets to making your home feel like a high-end retreat without breaking the bank. Begin with the sanctuary of relaxation, your bathroom. Elevate the experience with premium scented soap and lotion. Add a touch of luxury with disposable hand towels, creating a spa-like atmosphere. The smallest details can redefine your daily rituals. Imagine hosting a dinner that rivals a 5-star experience. Set the table meticulously, unveiling your finest china and gleaming silverware. Transform the atmosphere with carefully displayed wine bottles and crystal-clear glasses. Let every meal become a cherished memory. Now, let's talk ambience in your main living space. Ignite warmth with an indoor fireplace, casting a glow that transcends ordinary gatherings. If you have an outdoor oasis, kindle an open fire to extend a warm welcome to your guests. It's the essence of memorable moments. Retreat to the bedroom, the epitome of comfort and indulgence. Make your bed with precision and fluff the pillows for a touch of extravagance. Transform your bedroom into a luxurious haven, reminiscent of a high-end hotel suite. These are just a few steps towards cultivating an aura of elegance in your home. Remember, luxury is attainable without a hefty price tag. With these final touches, your home can radiate the allure of a lavish hotel stay. Embrace refinement, and let your home embody true opulence. Cheers to creating a space that looks and feels undeniably expensive.